In software development today, one of the most important developments is agile methods, or agile, as some pronounce the words. It's one of the most important developments in 2 decades of software engineering, and I'm not exaggerating. Everywhere in the industry, people are looking at agile methods and often practicing them or some form of agile development. In this course, we're going to review agile methods so that you can take the best out of them. My name is Bertrand Meyer. I'm professor of software engineering at ETH in Zurich. That's the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology. I also have another hat. I'm the founder and CTO of a software company called Eiffel Software. So I have this double experience, academic on one side, industrial on the other side, and I hope you see that this course benefits from this dual experience. Now, many presentations, I should say perhaps most presentations of agile methods are partisan. They really want you to kneel down and start praying and adopt this or that agile method. This one is different. I don't have anything to sell. I'm not trying to preach one method or the other. The only thing I'm really preaching is software quality, software productivity. So we are going to see what agile methods are about, but I'm not going to propagandize for a particular method. And in fact, surprise, surprise, in agile methods, there are some good aspects and some not so good aspects, as in every human endeavor. And it's very important to keep one's cool and to decide what is best for you, for your projects, for your kind of software development. So this is going to be an analysis without any bias of agile methods as they exist today. The course has 6 lectures. The first one presents the context and the basis of agile methods. The second one goes quite in depth into the principles that define agile development. The third one is about roles, because agile development redefines many of the traditional roles of software development. In particular, it has a new view of what managers should do, and in particular of what managers should not do. So you'll see where some of the traditional manager tasks go, and some of the results are going to be surprising. The next lecture is about practices. We have principles, but in order to make the principles real, we have to apply them through practices on a day-to-day, week-by-week, month-by-month basis. The next lecture is about artifacts, the tools, some of them virtual, that is to say intellectual, some of them material, that's to say physical, that support the application of the practices and the principles. And finally, the last lecture is an assessment of the best and the worst in agile method, and it is intended to help you decide what in agile methods works for you, regardless of any particular preaching or bias, or in the words of the title of the textbook that goes with this course, we're going to look at, in agile methods, the good, the hype, and the ugly. So I hope this benefits you. This course, I hope, is going to be useful, because agile methods are one of the most important ideas on the software scene today, and you should decide for yourself what is applicable to your own software development environment.